Today, we're setting up a liquid culture to grow bacteria or yeast. This culture will be used for downstream applications like plasmid extraction or restriction enzyme digestion. Depending on your experimental needs, you may need to add a selective agent, such as an antibiotic. In this protocol, we'll grow E. coli carrying the PML104 plasmid. You'll need a culture plate, ampicillin, and a sterile glass tube containing 10 milliliters of liquid media. Begin by wiping down your lab bench with 70% ethanol to maintain a sterile workspace. Label the tube clearly with what you're growing, your group name, initials, date, instructor, and section number. If you're selecting for E. coli carrying a plasmid with ampicillin resistance, calculate how much ampicillin to add to reach a final concentration of 50 micrograms per milliliter from a 50 milligram per milliliter stock. Then, pipette your ampicillin into the glass tube. Next, locate your stock plate with the desired bacterial or yeast colonies. These should have been incubated for at least 24 hours prior to your experiment. Using a sterile pipette tip, gently graze the surface of the plate to pick up a single colony. Once you've collected the colony, drop the tip directly into the liquid media. In some cases, you will be asked to use Aseptic Technique. This involves setting up a flame using a Bunsen burner and working with an inoculation loop. The flame helps create a cone of sterility that minimizes contamination. To start, be sure to set up the Bunsen burner away from flammable items like notebooks and personal items. To ignite the burner, plug it in and turn the gas valve to the on position, parallel to the gas line. Hold down the menu button until the display activates. Press the menu button again to spark the flame, adjusting the air and gas knobs as needed. This may take a few tries. Briefly pass the neck of the culture tube through the flame. Add the calculated amount of antibiotic. Flame your inoculation loop briefly. Let it cool completely. Then pick up a single colony. Swirl the loop in the media to dislodge the cells. Flame the loop again. Pass the top of the glass tube through the flame and cap the tube tightly. Don't forget to label the tube with tape. Finally, hand your tube to the instructional team so they can place it in the shaking incubator. For E. coli, we will incubate at 37 degrees Celsius, and for yeast, we will incubate at 30 degrees Celsius. Before cleaning up, make sure to turn off the Bunsen burner and shut off the gas. Unplug the burner, then wipe down your lab bench with ethanol to decontaminate the surface.